Developed by Mercedes Benz Australia, the DKW F93 was the last model in the legendary and innovative 3.6 range. First launched in 1953, the 3.6 received its name from the pioneering West Germans at Auto Union as a marketing tactic for how the F93 utilises a two-stroke, three-cylinder engine to produce similar performance to other manufacturers' models by using a traditional four-stroke, six-cylinder construction. In keeping tradition with its predecessors, the F93 was a front-engine, front-wheel drive layout with the engine located directly over the front axle to save weight with a shorter drive shaft. This is the same layout their successors at Audi would later adopt. The 896cc engine produced 40 brake horsepower with a top speed of 123 km an hour.